One.
Hello everyone, this is our project ForHeart. Nowadays, we are observing a recent trend of increase in heart attack fatalities with every passing generation. People are suffering from sudden heart attack and losing their lives. So we made a model which really help and alert the people if they are prone to heart attacks. So basically, we build a machine learning model and we deployed in our website, which takes some parameters from the users, and based on these parameters, our model predict whether the person is prone to heart attack or not. So here we also included a chatbot which helps in solving doubts of the users regarding our project or regarding heart attacks. So this is a small demo of it. And in order to use our project, first we need to sign in. For the authentication purpose, we used auth0. So first you need to log in order to predict the chances of getting heart attack. So now we got an option to predict after signing in. So we instruct our users, please visit the description page before going to predict. In this description page, you can find all the parameters that we are asking in order to predict. If you read these instructions, they can you will really give better inputs. Now we will see how our model predicts.
So, hi everyone, I am Anirudh Jana. So, I'll be talking about the prediction using the machine learning model. So, before we start the prediction, I want to talk about the data we are using in our model. Since we have applied for data hack, so these are the all the libraries we are using. After that, we have downloaded one data set from Kaggle that is for heart disease or predicting heart attacks, and we have named it as heart.csv. Then we are loading this data set, and we are seeing some of the values of this data set, like what are the age, sex, cp means that thing, then trt bps, chol. Okay, these are the all the features of the data set. Then we are seeing whether there any null value or not. We can see there is no null values. Then we are seeing the description of the data set, and it is telling out the minimum standard deviation, then quantiles of each features. After that, we are seeing that what are the percentage of females and male candidates. Here, see, we can see that number of female candidates in this data set is more than the male candidates. And then we are seeing how much candidates are getting false result, that they are not going to have an heart attack recently is 138, and 165 is the number that the number of people is going to have an heart attack. Then we are seeing the pair plot, where we can see how the each feature is connected to each other, and this is the heat map or using the correlation matrix. So we are taking these values to x for training, and we are taking the final output in y variable. Okay, then we are using extractist classifier to understand which are the important features to make the model. So from here we can see that THEL and CAA and SIP are the top three features that we will require in our model to predict the values correctly. Then we are going to the data corrections and data preparations, and here we are using the logistic regression model. And after hyper tuning the parameters, uh, we are getting these values to get the best result we can generate from this uh, data set. So after training, we are getting around 83%, 83.828% accuracy, which is good, and the accuracy above 80% is very good. And then we are seeing the confusion matrix. You can see the false positive and false negative values are very low compared to the true values, and that's it. This is how we have used the data set and for our machine learning model. Next, we'll go through how we are using this machine learning model. We are using one form for the demonstration purpose. We are giving some random values here, and these are close to the original values. So now we are submitting the form. So you can see the result is zero. That's the chances of getting the heart attack is very low, and that's a great news. So from here, either we can go to the home page or we can go to the fitness app. So Prashant, you can take over from now.
So here in our website we have shown simple health tips which decreases the chances of getting heart attack. These are simple tips which helps us to stay better and to avoid chances of getting heart attacks. And we will try to add more features to our website in the future. And this is our project for heart. Thank you.
And this is your team for our ForHeart. Okay, thank you.